Hello, I am the hip and knee patient navigator. I am the point of contact and resource for you or your family members if you have any questions or concerns related to the surgery. And it can be at any point in time, now before surgery and even after your discharge from the hospital. Some of the reasons why you may need to contact me include arranging outpatient physiotherapy, if you would like more information on how to arrange respite care, other general inquiries, or if you need clarification on any of the other instructions in this video. I am also a registered nurse, so if you are experiencing any medical issues after surgery, feel free to contact me for a consult. You may reach me at 416-756-6000, extension 4490. Alternatively, you can email me at hipknee.navigator@nygh.on.ca. I am in the office Mondays to Fridays between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m.